Yep, we are live on YouTube. Make sure you share the live. Hey YouTube, how are you guys? You're welcome to a live stream. This is Justin Zhao from FXAU. We are live trading today. Today marks our second month of consistent live trading. So we have an account which I'm going to first review to you guys. I'm going to first review this account, which we have been trading. We've been using this account to trade. We've been using this account to trade our FXAU premium signals. So guys, our session has about 13 minutes for it to start.
This is a battle.
I hope my audio is clear, guys. My audio is clear. Yes, Chiwewa Brian. It's nice to have you here. Chiwewa Brian. So guys, what's your gold prediction? You can drop your prediction in the comments. Okay. Drop your predictions, guys. Drop your predictions before we kick off. Yeah, who's in for the sells, who is in for the buys? Let's go. Someone is saying buys. Freddie. Freddie, what do you think it's going to buy? Why do you think it's going to buy? You should have you should have a reason. Najib wants to sell. Okay, actually, I'm also having selling bias. Let me show you real quick. We can analyze from that 4-hour. Guys, you see how we've been raising gold. We have this swing trade. This wasn't a swing trade, but it was also meant to be a swing trade, though I didn't hold it. So I held this one up to this level and closed off. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me zoom in it for you guys who are on TikTok. For those who are on TikTok. Is my network clear? You should give me feedback. Chat should give me feedback as we analyze. We have about 10 minutes to New York. I don't know if we have news. Gonna first check on forexfactory.com. Forexfactory.com is where we check news from big news events. Today is a Wednesday. We might have Trump speak Okay, we have Trump. Oh my God. OMG, it's going to be a wild day. We have Trump speaking right about in 10 minutes. So I checked, but I know, yeah, always it's in my plan to check first, sorry, before I like do anything. You get? Angel, you first check for me if it's clear. So on TikTok, yeah. So it's like it's in my plan to first check the news. How is it going? Like how to, because we always want to avoid volatile markets, like in some systems, because we have like two systems right now. We have that system that can handle volatile times, like this is the system always used to trade NFP. Just like guys, to remind you, we are on a two wins in a row NFP. Yeah, we have two wins in a row, so you don't need to like worry about anything. And these, when it comes to big events, because we have a good record. So currently sketching for sales, but first we still have like 8 minutes. We're gonna use these 8 minutes to analyze the trend, see what's expected, what bias do we have already. Of course, I already did that, but I have to like do it again for you. Head over to YouTube if you really want to have a nice experience. Head over to YouTube. Man, I don't know why this thing is not working. Maybe it requires VPN. Hey YouTube, thank you for the likes. Buys are crazy now. Buys are crazy strong now because of geopolitical tensions happening. I'm connected and right now connected to Greenland. Yeah, man. So if your system gives you a buy setup, then you're in the right side, bro. Though, yeah, the market always moves up and down, so you can always capitalize on the movements if you know how to really read the markets. But for me, I'm looking on two scaling sales. Like I have selling bias. If you get to understand, we have selling bias. So guys, tap the screen. Tap the screen. If you don't tap the screen on TikTok, it's going to get off. So if you want a better live experience, you can also head over to YouTube and subscribe. Just search FXAU, or is here to help you out. Yep. So like I was still explaining to you. Okay, guys, make sure you share. If you're in a group or something, share on your status. We have about 6 minutes to start off. So if you have a friend who wants to live trade with us, then so just like you see on your screen, those are the trades we've been taking since the start of the week. Excuse me. We have this first trade on Friday. This was Friday, 09 January. That was last week. Caught it on Friday and I exited on Monday, I guess. So I had this second trade on Tuesday. I gave it out. I always give these trades to the premium group. If you want to prove, you can join. Click in the link in bio to join the premium group. Should we buy gold? No, bro, not yet. We have like 5 minutes. I'm going to just wait for a setup to materialize. That's when I'll let you guys on when to buy and when to sell. But right now, you don't need to rush into anything before my call. So just wait for my call, and everything is going to be all right. Like you can check from these past trades, we've been on a crazy winning streak. So, but yeah, like I always tell you guys, trading is all about like risking less, focusing on the long-term process. If I show you the account which are tracking these signals off of, you'll get surprised because it's currently floating at 7,000. So, you know, this is not like scam or what. I'm going to show you the account in a few minutes from now. If you hop onto this, but now just need to focus on the analysis. We have 4 minutes to go. So we have H4, it's bullish. Like you can see, 4H is so bullish. It's been bullish ever since. So it's always bullish, you get. So unless the daily is retracing or like the weekly is retracing, which has been rare. So C for 4 hour is just continuing up, giving us these break of structures. So you have a break of structure. Oh, sorry, shuts back. But yeah, you can see I marked them up already. We have this break of structure, This we will see this so much break of structures to the upside, and that's a signal the market is moving up, and that's why we've been catching all these buys instead of sells. So now we have H4 still going up, but now we have this long move without any retracement. So just we want a retracement. By retracement, I mean this move. Let me show you here. So this is a retracement of the 4 hour. And when you see here, it has no retracement. So that's what we are actually aiming for, to catch a retracement though. This model is kind of not so much profitable. It has a low win rate, yeah, but the highest. So, but yeah, if it's like about 50%. So we just need to execute any setup we get, whether it's low probability, high probability. You just need to know on how to risk money. Yeah, that should be your talent. Should I call it? You should focus more on risk management more than anything else. You should focus more on risk management. Without risk management, you're going to crash. You're going to blow your money. I'm talking from experience. So just make sure your accounts are ready. We have a signal coming in. I'm going to drop it here live, and if it hits us, then well and good. I have something to back up my losses, because when you take losses and you accept them at heart, in the long term, it's going to grow. The account is going to grow if you have a good system, unless you have a bad system. So losses don't really matter. What matters most is how you manage your emotions, how you manage risk. Yeah. So if you guys have questions, you can ask some questions. Don't just stare at me, just staring. So I'm not seeing any questions. Okay, if you don't have questions to ask, and you're in TikTok, tap the screen. Let's go. Tap the screen. We have about 1 minute. Oh my God. So now concentrate, guys. Trump is about to speak. So maybe I should put Trump on. I don't know where to get him from on YouTube. Are we going to have him talk on YouTube? Trump live. Yeah. Trump live. Hey guys, if you're on TikTok, make sure you tap your screen. So that's H4, H1. I'm going to get my confirmation on the M1 here, M1, M30. So I'm using M30 structure, but still bullish as well. I'm not telling you guys to sell now. You need to first get a confirmation. That's 15 minutes. So need to first wait for liquidity either to get swept, something like that, before we enter. This is not financial advice, it's just for educational purposes. So just use it to learn a few things, tweak a few things into your system as well. Yeah. So I'm seeing Trump lands in Davos after electrical issue on Air Force. one caused the delays. Okay, live soon. Trump Davos, World Economic Forum, special address at 8:30 ET. Okay, sorry, that's it. The not buying Russian oil. Europeans purchase Russian oil. Greenlanders are wearing "Make America Go Away" hats. Lol. Trump is currently speaking, so I wait for my setup. I wait to give you this information. So now, if you get the setup, I'm going to actually drop it in the email group as well. We have a confirmation, and Trump is about to speak. Watching from Fox News. Let's see, where is Trump speaking from? Do you guys have a hint? Annual meeting, Davos. He's in Switzerland. But see, anyway, the market is still non-volatile, so I don't know. It's not giving any impact. Let's just wait for our setup. Let's just wait for our setup. Trump is not yet here. What's your risk per trade on the 17K account? Okay, let's get to the 17K account as ours. But first, let's first concentrate on the setup because we might get a late entry. If you want to know about the account, just stick to this up to when we get a confirmation. Yeah, if we get a confirmation, then I'm gonna have to give it to you. I'm gonna have to give you a full breakdown of that 17K account. It's actually now sitting at 17K. Let me check. We might buy gold. But not yet. I don't know why I'm like stuck with the sells. But gold has been disciplining all sellers. His plane was delayed. Okay, Freddy. Trump's plane was delayed. What level are you considering for liquidity sweeps? So normally gold sweeps. See, we had this sweep, so it already has liquidity. Unless you can also come and sweep above here, but when it sweeps above, then it's going to buy because now many sellers want to sell because they know it has liquidated this area. So if you get a buy confirmation, you're definitely going to hop into the buys. Trump is not speaking still. The account has about 17K.200. Yep, that's what we have. Trump is not coming. So everyone is like, sell gold, buy gold, silver, buy gold, silver, buy gold, silver, get a hobby. ZAR USD buy. What's your analysis? Drop your prediction below. Sell Trump's coin. It will be worthless very soon. Sell gold, sell gold, sell gold. Fast sell then buy from 21. Sell gold. Okay, everyone is on that selling side. How's GBPJPY? We only trade gold, bro. We only do gold. So let's wait. I'm gonna give you guys a setup very soon. Just hop in. Keep tapping the screen, TikTok. If you don't tap the screen, the live is going to go out. Bro, we are ready to get paid. Yes, Blackish before. How are you doing? We're ready to get paid with you today, okay, bro. I'm also happy to have you. Trump's plane was delayed. He was supposed to speak, but now he didn't. So guys, we might get ready for buys. We might get ready for buys. Yep, protecting this low. That would be like 200 pips SL. So you're going to collect a 1 to 2. 1 to 2 risk to reward. SL down below. TP up here. So I'm dropping these SLTP levels in the group. So if you're not in the premium group, you know how to join the group. It's actually free to join the premium group. So buy gold now. SL. SL is 4854. TP. TP is 4924. Okay, close to 5,000. Who thinks gold is going to go up to 5,000? buy gold. Already have a running position, or am I tripping? SL is 4854. 4854. 4854.42. Let me see how much I'm risking. Oh my god, it's huge SL. 400 something dollars. Targeting 1,000. Targeting 1,000. But the SL is wide and huge. I don't know what to do. But maybe the market is at its all-time high. Maybe that's how we can say it. So yeah, this is our setup today. Trump is not speaking, but we don't know. If he speaks and we get taken out, then we know it was a bad day for us. Resume tomorrow. So I'm sharing my empty file. Yes, I'm going to share my empty file. So here is where I'm going to explain about the accounts. Oh, we're already floating into profits, deep profits. We're already floating deep profits. So yeah. So YouTube, are you seeing the account as well? YouTube. Yep. So that's the account. TikTok, you're able to see it. Floating $27. So I'm going to input my TP and SL. So once again, I'm putting my, YouTube is not actually receiving. YouTube, sorry. What's the signal of the day? Buy. Just join, bro. Are we in yet? We are buying, bro. We are buying gold. We are buying gold. We had selling bias, but we just got a confirmation for buys. So we just need to execute since it's aligning with a bullish structure. But I had like so much belief in sales and I was praying for a sell confirmation, though they gave me a buy. So just need to follow the system and execute what it brings on table. My SL is 4854. My SL is 4854. Okay, that's where my SL is. SL is 4854. Again, I input my SL. So let's see how much I've risked on one position. $400 on one position. So that's a bit too much because I have 17K. That's like close to 10% risk. So I'm going to reduce this risk to 5. Yeah. So you always need to determine your risk before it goes against you, or even when it goes to profit, you need to know whether you're risking according to plan. And today's plan, I'm planning to risk $600 to $700, but now I'm in $800. So I'm going to collect some lots of, let me see, how can I collect volume of, okay. So I'm going to collect like 0.1 off or 0.08. What's our TP1? We don't have TP1, TP2, we only have 4924, but make sure you risk very well. Don't risk everything because the market is so volatile. It will traumatize you, it will hit you. It can go up to your SL in just 2 minutes. So you just need to be prepared for all this. Our first TP is 4924, but yeah, you can add TP1, though trades like this, I always take 2 hour, maybe 4 hour trades. That's when I add TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4 for you guys to get out comfortably. But if you're a guy who collects 1-to-1, you can just take it. So that's our account. And on YouTube, let me share the account as well. So YouTube, that's the account, currently in a loss of 70 something dollars. So now guys, you can start asking questions about the account. I'm going to show you the progress, where we are, our targets. We want to withdraw in this account when we reach 30K. That will be our first target to withdraw. And also we want to grow this account to 1 million USD. So I'm going to do it live with you guys every day. I'm going to be trading live, like not every day, 3 times a week, giving you the update about the account, how we're moving. And if you want to invest with us, just check that link in bio. You have a verified track record. I can share you the logins to this account. You review my performance, how I execute. Yep. We are process driven. We don't just trade. So yeah, I know some people have entered buys and your heart's already racing hard. You're fighting, you want to win this trade, but you just need to enter into a trade with a different mindset. You don't need to focus on the outcome, you just need to focus on the process of trading very well, and that's what will get you profitable. Full margin, we go analysis sharp. Bro, full margin, no, because this is like big SL, it's about 200 pips. Maybe you wait for it to retrace down and then you go full margin. Let me put M1, see, that's M1. So for you to go full margin, wait for it to come down here. Then you can go full margin because it's close to SL, and if you get taken out, yeah. So what's the recommended lot size on a $100 account? The recommended lot size on a $100 account is 0.01. Don't go above that unless you want to blow your account. Hey, actually, I wanted to join the WhatsApp group. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, just check the link in the bio. We're going to have it. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Keep tapping the screen, guys. Let's get to like 10K likes. Keep tapping the screen. Let's get to 10K likes. So we're going to be here up to when the trade hits either SL or maybe 1 hour. That's when we set BE at 1 hour. So we set BE and then we call it a day. If we get taken out, again, we call it a day, resume. But I would recommend you guys to join the signals if you really want this edge to reflect out very well. You need to join our FXAU premium signals, and they are free to join. Just join the community. You're going to get on how to join these signals. So if you join the signals, you're going to get access to my entries and exits consistently. You're going to get this and you're going to put it on your account. And when you get this access, you're going to be able to reflect on what's on this account. You get? You're going to be able to reflect it like on your account as well. If you trade with discipline and composure. If you don't have discipline, you don't have composure, you're someone who's always revenge trading, someone who doesn't want to accept that losses really happen in trading and they are part of the game, then it's not going to work out for you. You just need to focus on the long term. That's why. So what do you consider for your entries? That's reserved for my students. Yeah, exclusive information for my students. I can't tell it to you because I have people paying me to learn my strategy, and if I give it out here, it won't be actually cool to them who are paying for it. So now the gold is coming back up into profits. What we gonna do right now? I don't know. Let me check Trump if he's back. If Trump is back, because I know you just need to see if he's affecting the market. I wanted actually to take you through a quick review of our account history. See, that's the history. So now it started from the start. Let's start from the start. So from the start, you can see this is 2025. 11/05. When did we deposit? We deposited on 11/05. That's November. 5th November. You get? We deposited 10K. The first trade was 0.06. I lost $40. Second trade, I risked 4%. Yo, I had so much confidence in this trade, but it went up to SL and hit me $400. Again, another trade, minus $461. So I'm now in a drawdown of like 8%. So you have another. This is not financial advice, just for educational purposes. I'm just trying to teach you guys on how to like grow an account slowly and gradually, but later on it's going to compound and it's going to become hilarious, guys. It's crazy how compounding works. So I lost this. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in a row. That's a losing streak. Now imagine, let me see how many days. Oh, this was like in 2 days. In 2 days, I've lost 4 times in a row. Yeah, meanwhile, our trade is going into profits. I don't know if you guys entered or you got scared. So we have that. I think Jemba Changa na Gambia buying. SL Mwelimu Premium Group. You check the Premium Group. Chenteka Premium Group should not replicating your account. You don't need to trade anything else. You don't need to put your own SL. You use my SL Jemba there. Use 0.01 for now, up to when you gain the consistency. So my next trade was after that big losing streak. I was like, man, I need to first take a break. I don't know if I took a break. This was 11/06/06. Oh, I didn't. So 08, yeah, I took a break. No, 06 still. I got another trade. That same day, New York, I got another trade and made $700. And another one made 1,000. So we got out of the losing streak and we started risking 2% consistently. This is $200, 2%, $200, 2%, 1,200, 600. Target 3%, risking 200, targeting 3, 4, 5%. So this was like a swing trade, 4%, 5%. So again, I risked like $200 to 300 and I made 1,200. This was a swing trade. I remember it. Then I have another trade where I lost. This was 18th November. So this is still November. 18th November, I lost 179. Then guys, keep tapping the screen if you're on TikTok. Then on November 18th, still I risked and lost 132. So I came again on 21st. 21st, I made $200, 175. 24th, you see it's compounding, the account is compounding. So we lose again. See guys, I'm losing, I'm winning, I'm losing, I'm winning. This is what I want you guys to master, losing and winning. So I come again and risk 33.5. I lost that trade. So I cut risk here. I don't know why I did cut risk. Maybe the market, this is like December. No, still November. Yeah. So see, series of wins. So we have another losing streak. So this is just to show you guys that losing streaks are part of the game. If you just see me here giving you setups and they are non-cheating TP, just don't call me a scammer, or just don't say this guy doesn't know how to trade, what. No, it's just a losing streak. Losing streaks are part of the game. That's a losing streak. It doesn't justify that you're going to lose money in the long run. It just happens, yeah. So that's how the market is. It has wins and losses. So we have this take profit hit, SL, 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 SL 4 times in a row. Then we have TP. This is like December. Yeah, I remember. November close to December, we had the biggest losing streak because I went like 2 weeks losing. See, I won $200. So I cut my risk like 100, 200. That's the maximum risk I used to. So then this is December still 08. This was the first week of December 2nd. It was profitable. Then we come to the second week of December, so unprofitable, a lot of losses. So during periods like this is where you need to focus more, work on yourself, work on your mindset, your body, make sure you're going to produce results. So December, as it was ending, that's when I got that account from a loss we had. So I made $400. You can see I made $300. This is the biggest win I've had on this account. It's 2,100. It happened recently in January, 2,170. Then you have another one here. Oh, Trump is speaking, guys. Let's first pause and see because the market is so volatile. Market is super volatile. Trump, are you guys listening? When I make the dollar go down, I'm so scared. We are going to lose today. But just FX. Hello. But we are listening. See, Trump, the Trump effect. So let me first. Yep, that's the Trump. That's currently grade. Yes, let's go. You guys hearing the voice of Trump saying they will ban my life. I don't know. Maybe let me. The White House. Maybe it doesn't work. It works. Uh, Yo, I've been checking out. Let's see how it was. Yeah, that's what I was scared about. That's why I really wanted sales. So, but we are going to get another confirmation very soon. Stop. Guys, don't panic. Don't do anything. This happens. You can get stopped in like 2 seconds. You get, but that doesn't justify the end of trading. We still have to come back tomorrow and do the same thing over and over again. So we have been stopped on gold, but normally, I had sell bias. So if you've really lost a lot of money, then that marks the end of today. I don't expect you to like add any position today. Just focus on the outcome of so many trades. Just this, not this one trade. Yeah, that's how the account is going to grow. It's Trump. Yeah, I knew it. But yeah, losses happen. Losses happen. So if you're doing anything, just know that you're going to either lose or win. And when you lose, quickly snap out of that um, your mind is just gonna take control of you. Just learn on how to snap out and avoid making mistakes, avoid placing trades that are not aligning with your plan. But yeah, if you still have more capital to risk, you're going to have to sell and align with that H1 retracement, which I wanted us to use. So if you want to sell, this is our first loss in a in 2 weeks. I don't know. 2 weeks we've been on a winning streak. See, win, win. Another win here, and another win here. So this is just one loss out of 4 wins. So maybe tomorrow we'll have a win, maybe a loss, maybe a losing streak. That's how trading works. If you learn that, then you're going to definitely grow your accounts in really very long period of time. It's not going to happen overnight. You build it with time. It takes time. Just like building a house, you're not going to build a house in just one day. You just need to start with a foundation. After the foundation, you do the rest. Just the same thing applies to trading. I lost 840.96. That's what I wanted to risk. I wanted to risk about 700, but then these news or big spikes come with volatility and wide spreads. So brokers are going to increase the spread, and you find that you're going to risk or lose more than what you afford. So guys, that's it for today. If you want to buy, you can go ahead and buy, but that's my sell setup. So we wanted to sell, though we first got our buy confirmation. Buy confirmation, Trump came in, said a few stuff and got taken out, and now we have a sell going on. I'm personally not gonna take this trade because I have a limit of 1 trade per day. But yeah, this is the trade you should take if you want to get money. Market is so volatile, so guys, stay safe, trade responsibly, become more like protect more your capital more than focusing on the outcome you get. It's going to work. Already 300 euros worth of profit, bro. How much are you trading earn? But yeah, that's our setup. The sales, I know it's going to work out, but I'm not trading it. Just following discipline, risk management. Yeah. My FX book. If you want to track my records, check out that my FX book link in the bio. Yep. see, trade is actually now at BE. This is where our TP is. But from the start, we really wanted to sell. Though we had our confirmation for buy, so I had to buy, follow my system, risk, and execute what's on plan. So we are going to do the same thing over and over again every day. When I have an opportunity to come here live, I'll just come and give you guys a signal. If it goes your to like bring to like extract the edge, you actually need to follow our signals. Tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen. The open liquidity 0.01. Bali artist. The Trump effect has started. Let's exit in a small loss, bro. Oh, sorry. The ocean inquiry. I don't like exit unless it hits my TP or SL. Those are my entry and exit rules. I don't want to tamper with the trade because if I start building habits that are outside my trading plan, then it's going to mess up. It's going to mess up. So if you entered sales, you'd rather put your SL at 4883.46, or if you like floating deep profits, then you can set BE. If you've not reached 1 hour of your profits, then you have to set BE. Set BE where you're comfortable, because I always set BE when price hits 1 hour, 1.5 hour, but it's still yet not to hit. Though I'm conscious it's going to go down. That account, it's still in the account. Okay, TikTok. I hope you have a nice day. We are on YouTube. Head over to YouTube if you really want to have a nice experience. I'm not in that trade. I already hit my daily loss target. Just protect my mindset and peace. If you still have some capital available to risk for the day, that's a trade you should risk to go down. Hopefully, I'm not sure, just based off probabilities. Every day, not every day, just maybe once in a while, 3 days in a week. For you just need to maybe monitor our live trades by joining our community. All right, guys, that's it for today. Let's wait tomorrow. I'll find you tomorrow. Yeah, make sure you join our Telegram. The link is in bio. And also check our My FX book. The link is in bio as well. Description. Thank you, guys. Bye.